Today's video is brought to you by endtimegardening.com. Visit our website for your instructional gardening products and services through the link in the description box below. And remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.
This bed is 20 feet long and 4 feet wide. So it's 80 square feet. And again, you plant not just in the bed, but you plant in the holes, in the block holes. It's called a high yielding bed. Earthworms.
We disturbed him.
I'll give him a vacation. Lots of earthworms are in the ground, in this soil. Very humus soil. The soil is rich, very fertile.
When there are a lot of worms in the soil,
Yes.
it means that it's rich and fertile.
Yes, but when you use chemicals, they destroy the earthworms. Yes. So when you use the organic material like leaves and hay and straw and wood mulch and sawdust and pine needles, kitchen compost, the things in nature, the earthworms feed on them and they go to work for you to aerate the soil and to make it richer. And then your microorganisms go to work for you. But when you have the chemicals in the soil, they kill them out. And it's always good when you finish preparing the bed to cover the bed, because if you don't, the sun bleaches out the nutrients from the soil and it makes it very hard. And then the earthworms hide from the sun. They go deep down in the earth and the microorganisms, so therefore they can't work for you. So it is not good to leave the bed, the soil exposed. Once you've prepared the bed for planting, it must be covered. And at all times, if possible, at all times the soil should be covered. If you look at the forest, you see how beautiful the forest becomes in the spring. Why? Because the ground is covered. It helps to retain moisture